Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to dive into a fascinating problem around the Wayland security model. So, here's the problem. My understanding of the Wayland security model is that applications don't have default access to other application windows. But then we have screenshot tools like grawity that can effortlessly capture the entire desktop without any additional configuration. I even went as far as searching through the swaywm source code to see if there were default permissions at play, but came up empty-handed. So, did I misunderstand the security model? If not, how on earth can grawity take screenshots, and what do I need to do to revoke or grant these permissions to another application? Let's delve into the solution now. First off, Wayland doesn't operate on a permissions basis, as we might be used to. The security model of the protocol dictates that applications don't inherently have access to other applications' windows. This is more of a capability-based system where applications can only operate on resources they've been explicitly given access to through some protocol call. It's not about default permissions blocking access. It's about the base protocol not even defining the means to do so. Each compositor, acting as the window manager and display server in Wayland, is responsible for providing and controlling access to resources in its own way. In essence, the Wayland security model is quite different from what we might be accustomed to. Rather than relying on default permissions, it operates on a capability-based system where applications can only work with resources they've been granted access to. It's fascinating to see how each compositor handles this aspect, with some providing access through specific protocols while others, like swaywm, currently have no access control in place. So, if you've ever wondered how screenshot tools manage to capture your desktop, now you know a little more about the inner workings of the Wayland security model. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going.